Hello everybody, happy Friday. Hope you're having a great day. Can't believe it's Friday. Best day of the week this week. Thank you so much for playing Leprechaun Says. So far, this is the winner for day 4. Can you believe day 4? And then tomorrow's day 5 and then we're done. But it's been so fun. Thank you guys for sharing your digestive support tips. I think it's really a great way for us all to learn different things to use because all of our bodies are different, right? And we all use different things to support it. But like Carol was sharing, I had forgotten about Detoxyzyme, and that is going to be such a great thing for that I need to add to my supplement regime because I struggle with dairy issues. So that's a good one. Amy suggested My Design for Kiddos. That's another enzyme that the kids can take. So you guys, we have so many great supplements and oils to help support your digestion. I encourage you to read through the comments, and that way just it helps us as a community learn a little bit more. So again, thank you guys for participating. It just, like I said, it just helps us all learn and be able to share different things. So let's pick a winner for day 4. We've got everybody in here from Facebook and our texting platform. So thank you both for participating on those. It's been fun. So here we go with the winner. And it is Courtney Patterson. Congratulations. You have won a $10 gift certificate for Modern Makerie, and I will email that over to you. So for day 5, you guys, let's go for day 5. Leprechaun Says, because tomorrow is the first day of spring, share your favorite oily tip or household cleaning tip on making your house fresh and clean on the first day of spring as we transition into this new season. What do you do? What's something that you do? Preferably Young Living, right? But if it's not, if there's another natural tip or something, feel free to share that too, because again, we all benefit from learning from each other. So tomorrow's gift certificate for posting on for day 5, you are earning a $10 gift certificate for Life Science Publishing. Sorry, my brain is thinking that I've got to run for football. We have football tonight, so I'm excited. Friday Night Lights. We have football games, so I'm sporting the blue, even though we got some green bling going on here for our leprechaun. So comment on for day 5, what is your favorite spring tip? Again, that's going to enter you to the raffle for $10 for Life Science Publishing. Also remember that you have to comment on all 5 days in order to win the oily pot of gold. So tomorrow I'm going to pick the winner for both day 5 and the oily pot of gold, which has a bunch of green oils in there and a bunch of just fun green stuff. Little surprises here and there. You're going to love it. So here's your chance, last chance. Go back and comment on all 5 in order to win that guy. All right, you guys, thank you again for being such an awesome tribe, an awesome community. You just give so much joy to me, and I really appreciate you being here. So have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.